In this video, we will explore how to use ink replay in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start. So I am going to show you how to bring your slides to life with the PowerPoint's ink replay feature. This tool lets you animate the drawings and illustrations, perfect for highlighting key points or creating engaging presentations. So opening your the PowerPoint presentation, and you can just go to the top site and click on the draw tab, and here you can see in replay group have a ink replay option. Before that, you have to draw something here on the slides of PowerPoint. Select a paint tool from the draw tab and then start the drawing or annotating directly on your the slides. This can be anything, a diagram, underline the text, or any notes you want to emphasize. Okay, so let's start. I just select this one red pen and just draw here P and okay D, PND, tech. Okay, now I just click on the ink replay option and you can see here, you can see the PowerPoint will play back your drawing in the order you created it. This feature can help you walk through the diagrams or explain the process step by step. So you can adjust the speed and control how to quickly ink replay the experiment to find what worked the best for the presentations. Okay, so and that's it. With the ink replay, you can add a dynamic touch to your the presentations, keeping your the audience engaged and focused on the key points. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more quick PowerPoint tips.